In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build calculations with the formula column in Monday.com. Formula Setup 2025. We'll start right from the home page and end with a working formula column you can reuse across your boards. Open your browser and head to Monday.com. This ensures you're on the official site with the latest interface and features. In the top right corner, click Go to My Account to proceed to the sign-in screen. Choose your sign-in method. You can enter your standard credentials or continue with Google or Microsoft if that's how your account is set up. When you're ready, click Login, and we'll move directly into your workspace. On the Monday.com home view, look to the left sidebar to find your workspace list. Select the workspace that contains the board where you want to build your calculation. If you manage multiple boards, a quick tip is to keep consistent naming so you can identify the correct one at a glance. With your board open, we're going to add a new column specifically for formulas. Find the plus icon that adds a column, usually at the far right of your existing columns, and click it. You'll see a variety of column types. Choose Formula. This column evaluates expressions based on values from other columns, letting you do things like totals, differences, percentages, date math, and conditional logic. Once the formula column is added, give it a clear, descriptive name so teammates understand what it calculates, for example, total cost or days remaining. Then enter your expression. You can reference other columns by selecting them from the formula editor's suggestions, which helps avoid typos and makes maintenance easier. As a tip, keep your expressions readable with parentheses and spacing, and test with a couple of sample items to verify your results immediately. If you need to fine-tune the logic, you can edit the formula at any time. The formula applies to every item in the board, so when you adjust it, all rows update automatically. That's ideal for keeping calculations consistent across tasks and groups. If your board structure evolves, say you rename a column or add a new numeric field, simply return to the formula editor and update the references. A few best practices as you work. Ensure the source columns have the right data types, use clear names, and watch for division by zero or empty fields. Many functions are built in, so explore the function list to handle rounding, conditions, and date operations without complex workarounds. And that's it. Your formula column is set up and calculating. You've gone from the home page to a clean, dynamic calculation that updates automatically as your data changes.